What's up, MFers? Today we're going to show you everything you need to know about our TenSix compressors. Our compressors have 7-foot long battery terminal leads. The black goes onto the ground and the red is going to be your positive. We have the on and off switch. The circle is for off and the dash is for on. And then we have 6-foot long hoses that come off of the compressor that will plug right into your MORRFlate kit. To get started, have your MORRFlate in the off position. Take your battery terminal leads up to the battery. First, you want to attach your ground. And then once that's done, you're going to want to attach your positive. All right, and you are now ready to turn on your MORRFlate. All you have to do is flip the switch and it will go ahead and turn on. All of our new TenSix compressors come with 120 psi shutoff. So if you don't have anything hooked up to this hose, it will pressurize to 120 and then shut off, just like this. Now that it's shut off, if you want, you can go ahead and plug in your MORRFlate kit now or before and start airing up.